I'm the leader. I'm the alpha. I'm the one to trust. Trust.
Chad,
No.
Jaden, winning.
Hi viewers. I'm ADP, also known as Purple.
Hello. You should definitely go over to my YouTube channel called That Kid Ugly One and subscribe to it, please. Thank you.
It's coming. Wow.
I'm waiting for Dennis to get an orange here so I can take
Oh my
a
gosh,
picture.
June 12, guys. Can you believe it? It's the baddie 12. Okay, I'm gonna go on mute for I'm going on mute for the rest of the race, guys.
Bro, Dennis it's just a bus for.
Oh, we got more drivers. Who's that 10 car, bro? That scheme is cursed.
That's Dennis. That's Dennis.
That's cursed.
I'm still waiting for the 21 and the 12 to line up so I can take a picture. Like the ones that
I saw
not
that,
most.
Jaden. You ain't slick. I saw that, Jaden. You ain't slick, my boy.
He's just finding his key, I guess. I guess. Bro, what
There
the?
it is.
Weird how this is like one of the first times he can't find his key.
40 car, what are you doing?
Constrader.
Jaden, no, I'm not being constrained. Oh, I'm gonna change my scheme. I want to be a kid named Strato.
Oh, the 40 car lost connection.
I don't know what my scheme isn't in scheme IDs, firstly.
If you don't find your scheme, then you're a monkey. And you're not skilly.
Yeah, custom scheme IDs. I don't see it.
Bro, Blitz, that number placement. No. Dog. Yeah, bro. Blitz just got the number placement wrong.
Actually, this is 2006.
Why that? What do you mean that? No, I mean the number placement on the roof. Look at it. It's in reverse, the one in the roof. Like, yeah, this is 2006 and all that shit, blah, 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 but... Okay, if we're just gonna start like this, then wait right quick. Don't do the countdown. I'm gonna take the picture for... Oh, there he is. He's got the picture. He's got the paint scheme. Don't go yet. I'll say when, since I'll be taking the picture. Disappear. Dog. Alright then.
We don't care that Team Spectate doesn't work.
Alright. Wait.
Send the picture, young man. We want to get this started.
Gosh, Blitz, what the fuck? Stop being a monkey.
Hold on, already.
There, I already got the picture.
Alright, I'm ready.
Same.
40 car, come on, what you doing? Three,
And here
two,
we go.
one. Tree, and we're going green. Oh, come on. I got sent into the wall already. 40 car. Don't turn me, please. Four wide. Okay. The 40 car did not practice or something?
Dun, dun, dun.
Y'all stop sending it in the corners and like, y'all stop doing that. Have y'all ever heard of exploiting?
Oh shoot. Yeah, I kinda corner coded that term, but well, I ain't used to physics. Or at least this is my first time
Remember,
racing.
guys, turn one is brake. Turn one is brake.
Okay.
And then turn two is let off. I got on the gas too soon. What? Lag. I hate that corner so much. Oh, we got a big wreck. And another one. Ooh, sorry, 24.
No, that was my fault. I got into you.
But Jesus Christ, the 24, not the 24, the 40 was about to kill me.
Oh, it's not work.
Red flag.
He's just testing.
Okay, I think what my main problem is I keep on letting off the turning thing, so it just sends me straight into the wall. Holy! Okay, for you gotta stop sending it.
Yeah, can the 40 keep... You're sending like every corner. Not that hard just to break.
I messed up that turn so bad, and I hate anti-wall ride. Thanks, 12.
Hey, I'm unmuted. Just tell me.
I honestly hate this track.
Say, bro, I just passed from being in first to like almost last.
40, if I keep...
I went from third.
Aiden,
I went
I
from
will not
third
miss
to back here.
this 40 if he keeps wall popping everything. So, if he's gonna wall pop to get past people, I don't know how to I guess I'll find.
You can't have a wall pop. There's anti-wall right.
Bro, he's just sending it. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, bro, like, what are you doing?
Oh, I keep messing up turn 3 and 4 and into the public lane.
My guy. My guy.
Hey Jane, this is why you don't let D2. This is why you don't let people who just joined race in D2.
And I just got done. That's great. That's really great.
Holy.
I don't know how this guy.
Yeah, I keep on messing up turn 3 and 4. Or whatever turn that is. Like, that's honestly my worst corner. Forget about turn.
There's no way he'd like, yeah, the 12 right in front of me. Yeah, it's called a corner. That's what you do. Well, that's what the normal person.
12 submerging.
Search right with it.
Ooh, that was a good corner for me.
Hey, like, okay.
Anyways, we are now split up into separate and by ourselves. I am like 4 seconds back from third.
Okay. Okay, bye.
And I keep on lagging, which doesn't help me at all.
Oh man. This. Guess you race with the world you're gonna hear now.
Oh, I got really high off turn 3.
I got real close to that wall.
3.6 seconds.
I am 6.5 seconds.
Okay, Jesus Christ, this fucking idiot. There's just no way.
What is the 40?
He versus back markers.
But he's gonna say 12 turn down on me and give me this corner. What do you expect?
He kind of reminds me of Jamie. Don't know.
Oh, Dreamy was annoying.
Well,
I'm catching
Jaden knows who he is.
The 40 is.
I'm catching Jaden.
Okay, the 40 is like Martin Truex Jr. from Israel.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wasn't annoying. He was just in that race.
I mean, he's not even that bad. He's just.
He was a terrorist.
You gotta learn.
Everybody hated him for some reason, and yeah, he was a bit of a terrorist to me. He right-wheeled me at Talladega for no reason.
I
And
mean,
then, like,
probably shouldn't be in D1, but I mean, it's not.
lost it Bryce the top 5 at Daytona.
Wah.
Yeah,
Bro, I keep missing turn 1. What the fuck?
Yeah, I think I'm about to 4th now.
No, you're 5th.
Okay. I'm gonna get into. Oh, yes, I see one.
Trying to catch Jaden. That was a good turn 1 for me.
Bro, I just walk up out of nowhere. What
I
the
got
fuck? Okay, yeah, I gotta merge or some sort of shit.
If y'all are merging, please don't merge in front of me.
What position are you?
I'm 4th.
I guess. This thing is about to flop down to the wire.
I'm
I
really
started
trying to
racing
catch.
at that point.
I can go way faster in turn 1 than I think I can.
Yeah, the brakes are so good. You just send it, make it stick somehow. Notice that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna be edging on this wall. My back end hit it. Give me those.
Saved
My
it
car
from
was
the wall.
sideways off that corner. Oh, towards something.
The brakes are so much better than I think they are. I think I have to brake like way before the corner when I have to brake like which are seconds from the corner. I lagging. Oh crap.
Shoot.
That's just great.
Oh no.
I
Bruh.
was going good until I lagged.
Well,
I wiggled. I was like on turn 3 apron. I wiggled and it just sent my car all the way up. Oh, the 18's too far behind. You couldn't pass me.
I'm trying not to merge.
Oh, don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. Oh, that was cool.
Lag, what the? That was some BS lag.
Already come to halfway.
No. Yeah, this race is kind of short.
good.
Also, I hit the anti-wall right on the straightaways.
Is anti-wall right on the straights?
I didn't know it was on.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I didn't get it on the
It was
straights when I hit the wall.
I
I
hit the
didn't know it
wall
was on
and all the way down to 154.
But there wasn't.
I terrible.
Nope. I want that position back. No. Ooh. Ooh, keep it on low.
There's a guy off turn too. I can already see him. Who's that?
Oh, okay. I don't know my car didn't break.
Oh, the 24
Walker
spark
brakes
there.
on it.
Not merge. Going into the side of a corner. Oh god.
Speaking of Phoenix, what was the model Jaden used last Phoenix? Like, what was that?
This is the same one.
No, that Phoenix Jaden used like a. Oh, it was a huge difference. It was like a bigger track, and it was like open walls and like much larger than this Phoenix. I liked it. I didn't mind it. It was a D4 in Phoenix.
It was like AHS or something.
Why was it so big though?
It wasn't ASCA because this is ASCA.
I like old Phoenix better than new Phoenix.
I think everybody does.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just the new
same.
Phoenix is kind of it lacks aura.
Bro, and it's boring as hell. Like, they need to add something to the track. Like, more banking or something.
I love super
Super banking would be great.
Flat tracks usually don't produce the best racing.
But imagine like turns 1 and 2 had banking. That'd be peak.
Now, I think turns 3 and 4. I think turns 3 and 4 is a place.
I turn fun
Wait,
into
I'm
is way
talking-
big than turn 3.
No, 3 and 4 is.
No, I'm
Okay.
talking about the
heck
old
you-
version. On this one, if they add more banking to like that last corner, then
Turn
we'll
3 is
have
Yeah,
flat.
because. No, it's
Oh,
not.
yeah.
It's turn 3 is flat. It's not as banked as
I think
turn
you're I think you're getting turns 3 and 4 mixed up with turns 1 and 2.
Turn 1 is turn 4 Phoenix, new Phoenix.
Yeah, turn 1's turn 4 New Phoenix.
But I'm talking
So-
about the banking is old Phoenix turn 1.
Okay, we're talking about this Phoenix. Which one? Turn 1
Yes,
of this
this
Phoenix,
Phoenix,
is banked.
the old Phoenix, turn 1,
Banked.
old Phoenix.
This is banked. This is way more banked than turn 1 than turns 3 and 4. Turns 1 and 2.
It's confusing. This Phoenix, old Phoenix, turn 1 is a lot better than turn 3 and 4.
Yeah, exactly.
Are we gonna get a
Messed me
competition
up with the
caution by
old
the
new
way?
Phoenix.
Also, 80 laps and we're already almost at lap 40 is kind of short.
Where is everybody?
Yeah, fits.
Or is it 125 laps? I don't remember.
I only see Blitz in my mirror now. I'm catching up on the 40 car. I'm just
Isn't the 40
vibing.
car a lap down?
He's about to be a lap down. I catch him. Oh, and I went really high. I'm gonna get in the wall big time here.
I'm not that fast today.
I lost a lot of time.
I'm back in like...
You guys stayed off the second car?
I didn't practice at all for this.
I'm in like 4th or 5th.
You're 4th. I'm 5th. I don't really like the setup. Turns 1 and 2 feels good though.
Oh, I
yeah,
gained
I
some
like
time that lap. I gained some time that lap. I went from 14 seconds to 13.2.
Turns 1
Why
and 2
did
feels
Roblox-
really great.
Why did Roblox decide to change the physics, bro?
Something about the bumps. But Jaden's game doesn't have the bumps though. I was expecting.
Yeah,
probably
because I
it's-
don't think he updated his game. I think it's the same. I don't think he updated it.
It's an easy way to fix it. I just don't know how. Don't I know?
Oh, I'm gonna hit the wall! Damn it.
Yeah,
Way to slow
keep
down
doing
there.
that, please.
No. Now I'm back to 15 seconds.
Yeah, I didn't lose as much time because I just lost as much time on admin type before we
It
filled.
There is an empty wall around the front stretch, but it's like it slows you down 4 miles per hour, like 14. Not much. I didn't notice it.
That's another bad corner.
I have a feeling this 40 is gonna take me out. Just watch.
We need a competition caution, JD.
Never mind, he hit the wall. So. He's not even in VC.
Yeah, he says he can't race in VC because
Oh
he's
my god, this kid. No, what are you doing? Oh my god. He just sent me into turn 1. I thought he wrecked. I looked down for a second into turn 3 and he wrecked, and I looked up again, he's behind my back bumper and just sent me into turn 1.
Jaden, can we get a competition caution, please?
Get away, bozo. I own you.
He
Thank
threw
you.
the
Thank
blue
you.
flag for.
Thank you. Oh my god.
No, never mind.
Someone please get this dog out my way.
We need a
When I
caution
pass
for
him,
him.
he just sends it again.
With all due respect, please get the 40 out of D1.
He's gonna.
I mean, he's nice and all, but like, he's definitely what D2 is.
Definitely not the best. Let's put it there. He's definitely not the best
Yeah,
driver.
he's
He has the attitude, but he does not have the capabilities. Yes,
no.
please.
Please no.
What did Jaden say? What did Jay say?
I want-
Comp
I
caution?
want him.
No.
Yeah,
We didn't go comp caution when Jaden dominated Brickle, so that's just wrong.
We did a calm
Yeah, I
caution
like-
at Mansfield, though.
Yeah, but it's
No,
not
we
fair
did a
how
comp.
we didn't go comp caution when Jaden dominated races.
Alright,
Reese. Well, I wasn't
No, I
here.
got one.
me and the 11 are starting to catch Jaden and those guys though.
I'm about to use this 40 as a wall. Thank God.
Oh, I'm gonna hit this wall. Ooh, I didn't.
Really gained
Oh,
one
shit.
with 11.
Hey, I
That was
own
on my
that
back
fucking
bumper.
40.
Yeah, he said no caution.
Yeah, why wouldn't we? Why would we do it?
Yeah, just let it play out. The race is almost over. Like, Phoenix is not a good track. It's not gonna hurt anything. It's just gonna cause chaos.
In every league I'm in, Phoenix is never a good track. Every league, it's
Yeah,
never a
Phoenix
good
is
track.
just- It's honestly one of the most real. It's like, oh shit. I'm good.
I want to caution because I want to catch back.
In terms
'cause
of
I-
like how realistic
Right.
is it? How realistic it is, like real life, Phoenix is one of the best. It's like it's literally almost impossible to pass.
The best race I've raced in a Phoenix race will probably be like,
M0 was pretty good.
yeah, M0. I'm gonna say M0. In Josh's league, that was fun.
Yeah, Josh's league was pretty decent.
Oh, I hit the wall. Even though I dominated that race and pulled out to like a 14-second lead, it was good.
11. If we don't battle, I think we can catch this 2 and 5.
Okay, lag. I hate this lag. Input lag, bro. I turned in a full 5 seconds before the corner, so it didn't turn.
Maybe the quickest Nextel Cup league race ever.
15.700.
Yeah, we ain't catching.
How am I 4th? How am I 5th? Oh. 24 merged the 3rd. That's fine.
If we started at 112, that would be in 18 minutes. Yeah, 18 minutes? God dang. Wait, no,
Yeah, we
that's
need a
not-
quotient, boys. We need a quotient.
Gosh.
28 minutes, let me think. We started at 112 and it's 140. 28 minutes. In 28 minutes. That's insane.
Oh, I almost flipped.
Really catching you guys.
The trap bumps almost made me flip.
Oh god, yeah, I see him.
Bro, Jaden, why are you putting me a lap down if I merge? What the fuck, dude?
You merged the 3rd, though.
I never get why people don't merge back to like last anymore.
Oh, bro, I didn't merge in 3rd. I merged in 4th. Fuck you mean?
Yeah, but that's
Still close. That's still close.
You should have merged
We
behind me in the
can
11.
Okay, lag. I didn't merge when I wrecked out.
When I rest, I just merged to like 6th or 7th. Right
Can
around
anyone
before.
tell me who is second?
The 18?
Oh, like, I'm just confused.
Jay.
I didn't merge in the top 3. Why am I getting a lap down? Like, okay, I'm just confused right now. That's just.
Can I? Done. Oh, I'm gonna caution.
We're all hoping for a caution. This race, this track is sucked yet again.
I
And
just
I'll
wanna-
not win as.
I want to do other things in real life, so I just want to get this race over with.
Me too.
Bro, I think a caution would just like take 30 seconds, bruh. And I keep on lagging into the wall, which is annoying.
I think I'm what. Sam, I cut into 1 second of your lead. I don't know if you're in lap traffic, but I'm probably one of the fastest cars in track. I caught Jaden.
Nah, I'm not in lot traffic. Where is
just
Blitz
taking
at?
it.
Yeah, I'm just taking.
You're at the start finish line. Blitz is
I'm
at
off
the
time,
start
too.
finish line. Oh shit!
I'm out of the dog.
By the time you guys cross the finish line, I'm exiting turn 1.
Blitz just.
And I
passed the
keep
finish
on-
line.
Well, I'm off turn 4.
He's I'll turn 2. We're on the back stretch.
Oh, okay, so I got like an
Checking
entire.
cold.
We're on turns 3.
Yeah, I'm off. How many
Hey,
corners?
Jaden's in second now. Oh, they're wrecking on us. No, they're good.
Do you count the dogwood as a corner?
Yeah.
It's a king.
I don't get it. I'm off turn 4. I'm just gonna
Oh.
count.
Jaden and 18 get together. This is for a second.
I'm at the finish line. What
I
you?
I should be right up there with Jaden. I was catching Jaden until I started lagging.
Yeah, I finally caught Jaden and these guys. Oh. Okay, that was interesting. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, and okay, that's great.
How a leader 14 seconds ahead of everybody, bro?
That's really good.
Go after this health.
Oh, shoot.
I got a big wreck.
Better flop to the ground.
We got
Okay,
a big
yeah, I'm
wreck
just-
into
Y'all kept it
Okay,
going.
you know this.
Is that
This just looks like-
is that second place?
I
Are y'all off turn 3? 4?
you.
don't know.
Okay, I know
I
this
see a
sounds like
big
an
pack of
excuse,
cars.
but like,
That might
I
be.
got lapped down and I never got lapped by anybody.
I'm going to a turn 1. I see
Yo,
Jaden.
Penske, you messed the laps up, bro.
I did not mess the laps up. I didn't even change
I
them.
was not a lap down. Nor was I nowhere near a lap down.
same.
I only passed the 40.
Yeah, and
y'all
I'm
on the
nowhere near
front
the
stretch.
40.
I'm off on 4.
Yeah, and I'm still not a lap down. Yes,
Oh,
please.
don't need it.
What did
Yes.
Jaden say?
Just go
Yes.
AFK and then fit slots and then remerge to respond.
We didn't need a caution when Jaden had a fit slash that's like Bristol or
The 40s
Fontana.
only went a lap down because he went a lap down on like pace. Everybody else should be on the lead lap.
Y'all about to
Yeah,
go lap down on pace.
Yeah,
Oh,
40 is supposed to be the only car who should be a lap down. Like, I wouldn't. Like, bro, why? Okay, sorry, 11. Sorry for that. Oh, shit.
Oh, okay.
They wrecked it and they saved it.
Yeah,
Here.
we rigged it
I'm
and we
fit
saved it.
currently. I'm gonna go down pit road. I'm gonna fit slots. And
Wait.
then I'm gonna remerge back to the
recently you're late.
Yeah. Is it too like
It's 21 laps to
21
go.
oh fuck.
That's fast,
I
bro.
like how y'all
What
really
the
tied
fuck?
up that corner.
That's fast?
Oh god, controls got broken.
Oh, okay, I got lag off that turn.
I expected
Ooh.
Oh,
30 cautions in this race.
Yeah, just no, but he hasn't pulled out any cautions.
Okay,
there.
well, I just
There. Laps are fixed. Everything's good. Denny's the leader. I'm merging back to my spot.
God, my thing got broken again.
I just
I
logged
was
off.
right behind. I was right behind the 11 and 24.
Okay, who's
The
second?
24 Oops.
Guessing the 18th second.
So assuming that I can't join, I'm gonna just go. I literally fixed it.
Yeah, the 18th second. It says Divine's second, but that's not.
Is the 21 the leader?
I don't know.
Oh,
Laps
the
wait,
11, Jesus Christ.
Wait. What's the second, right? Yo, wait. What's the second, right?
Bro, what was that?
Don't blame me,
Oh, that
21.
was
You
nothing.
straight up
By the
sent
way,
me,
you're
and you
fucking
still missed the corner.
I mean, 11 or a lap car, so like, you might know.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get by my weight. I wasn't intentional. Your car just got light for something. But you were just gonna.
Jesus
Dude,
Christ.
dude, I'm asking something right here. It splits in second.
Okay, Blitz is second. Everybody, lap should be fixed. Yeah, we're all lap down. Any lapped us.
The only guy I haven't lapped is Blitz. I'm right now catching Jaden.
Blitz and Jaden.
Okay, so who's that
Okay,
car?
so
The 40's laps are messed up. It says he's second, but he's last. He's dead last.
Wait, this
He's not-
42nd? Then that doesn't make sense.
No, ignore that. He's last. It says he's second, but he's last. We all know.
So I should be 4th. Man, you messed up
Yeah.
the lap.
I did not mess up the laps. Jaden.
That's all of them. Okay, so who's going into turn 3? Is that Kentucky or all of them? All of them.
No, I am behind these guys.
Oh, so that must be Blitz. So Jaden's third, right?
Oh, yeah, and I'm fifth.
Okay,
And
so
the
that is
24
Blitz.
sixth.
That's Blitz up there.
Apparently, so if he's 3rd, then that means I'm 4th.
Yeah, you're fourth. I'm fifth. 40 is last. 24 is second to. Oh, fuck.
Everything
Yeah,
just
Jaden's third. If we pass
confusing.
Jaden, this is fourth position. It says he's fourth, but he's third.
That's on the grass by Jaden. What a move by me.
Confused.
I just put a Del Earnhardt on Jaden. I didn't mean to do that. I wasn't. Jaden, you don't have to sit.
Yes, get into the wall with
Don't want me
Jaden. I
to,
need
like,
to get this
ignore
3rd position. Jaden's finding hard back for his lead lap. Quick question, if a caution comes out, do I get my lap back or no?
Pretty sure everybody gets a lap back.
Oh,
Let's have a
God.
Okay,
Shenanigans.
Jaden. I didn't do that to you when you were dominating.
I just can't with Phoenix. But I had the lead at the start of the race. God damn it.
Ooh, that 11 got really close.
Okay, Okay, so the 11th is third. Line fourth, James fifth. Yeah.
I think that's what's going to fight me off.
Hey, maybe practice does mean something this week, because the only one that's like practice this weekend was like the 21, and now look at him.
I did 10 laps of practice.
Oh.
Ned's practiced the most. He didn't make it today. Oh, I missed the corner. Oh.
Bro, you can afford missing the corner. You got a whole track second.
Yeah, but I don't want to get held up by lap cars, man. Oh. I know
He's
it
not
doesn't-
catching you.
I want to lap everybody.
I guess.
I think that split's going to turn 3. Oh, I hit the apron again. Dylan, lap party. This guy worried about somebody hitting a bumping flip.
Yeah, 40 is about to go to. It's the 40 in front of you. Who's in front of you?
I think that's Blitz.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
Blitz.
domination. There's no excuse. You know, this one's dominating.
This is the effect of somebody getting screwed last race.
But
This is the effect of somebody getting screwed from last race.
what?
I was screwed out of Talladega win because the 95 went below the line.
Yeah, but what do you mean effect?
I mean, it's just like a, I call it the getting screwed effect. You get right the other week out of a win, and that's time to come back and win.
That's not what effect means. But I understand.
Whatever. Yeah, that's Blitz in front of me. I think I can catch him by lap 7.
Is this considered? I hope you lap him. Just
Oh, yeah,
so
I'm catching
you can
him.
see. Is this considered one of the most dominating performances?
As otherwise, I guess.
I dominated Martinsville, but not to this extent. I didn't lap the entire field.
Well, I'm just good at feeling.
I'm fast. I just got caught up with the 40 earlier in the race.
Holy crap, the
kept
40 was
sending-
like Ryan Newman trying to get past me.
Yeah, like he kept sending me the 24 and the 11, and then like that just cost us so much time. And then I was gaining on y'all a lot until I caught second, and I got turned by Jay, and it was probably my fault, but I did get turned.
Ooh, I got to the wall.
No,
6 to
racing
go.
the-
Yay, Mike.
Remember, if you're a lap down, you have an extra lap than everybody in the leader. So when Denny takes the checkers, we all still got a lap.
That's insane.
So Sam, when you cross the line, just let them keep racing. Don't.
Yeah, I'll
listen
pull
to
it side.
Yeah, just wait till you're run out. So it's coming to 5 to go for us, but it's coming to 40.
Wait, should I do a Ty Gibbs and do my burnout right after the start finish line?
Oh. When did you do that?
Indy Road Course 2023 at Xfinity.
Oh.
I keep thinking this 18 is Oliver because Oliver ran that scheme last race.
I didn't. Oh wait, no, the North scheme. I thought you meant the Blue Thunder scheme. My bad. Yeah.
I had to look a lot because the 18 set up a lot, and I was gonna.
Okay, 4 to go
Yeah.
for us, 3 to go for the leader. We're catching Denny.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
I
let
got
it be.
the track.
Scheme.
Both
shit.
I think I just choked right there. 18 lifted so much I had to lift too, and it got me in the wall. I think I can catch him though.
E3. 2 to go for Sam, 3 to go for me. Is that the leader? Is that second?
Yes, that's second.
Why is it always me? Fuck!
Yeah, I caught up to Blitz. Probably gonna lock him right here.
Okay, white flag for the 21, 2 to go for me. 2 to go for everybody that's locked down. Also, the 18th. Ah, fuck. Down the back straight for final time. Kenny locked the entire field. I would just send it, like, who cares? He's gonna finish second. He lapped the entire field. That's actually crazy.
Blitz, that was nothing intentional. I just had to do
If
it.
you're a lap down, you still have a lap to go. If you're a lap down, you still have a lap to go.
Blitz, I'm gonna let you go by so I don't. Blow, Blitz, Blitz, what are you doing, Blitz?
If I catch Blitz, that's second.
Blitz, you can go by me. Hit P2.
Blitz, please let me have P2. I'm just joking.
Nah, Blitz owned it. I sent Blitz just to lap him. I feel bad. I hope Blitz doesn't take that seriously.
And he didn't lose any position, so I finished P3. I keep my top 3 streak alive.
That was an interesting race. P3.
Just got scammed out of a third place position all because of lag. I just got
Okay, can I do my
screwed.
bone out now?
Yeah, everybody passed.
Jaden, please can we never go to Phoenix?
Was Jaden came
Come
in
on.
4th. 5th was
I should have
11.
came on 4th and get
Six.
lag.
4.
I get
7.
5th. This is BS.